Hmm. Uh, do you know why we yawn? I'll tell you. Yawning is not just when we are sleepy. When we yawn, your brain is trying to cool down like a fan. Just like that. Cool brain equals to better thinking. You got me for more exciting facts. Learn with fun. Bye bye.